Okay, so it says tell whether the following distributions are more likely to be skewed left, symmetrical, or skewed right. So we have two situations here. We have the age of death in a city, and we have foot size of 30-year-old women. Well, let's think for a second about um, age of death in a city. Okay, we got our graph. All right, and typically the older you are, the more likely or you are to pass away. So we would see if this it was age on the bottom, okay, we would see that the older you get, the more likely you are to pass away. So we would have a graph that should look something like this one here. Okay, so what is this? It's showing that the younger you are, the less likely there is for death. So this would be a situation where it is skewed left. Okay, there is a tail to the left of it. What about foot size of a 30-year-old woman? Well, we know that men and women come in all different shapes and sizes, different foot sizes, and so on. But for the most part, we can say most of the foot size of 30-year-old women are going to be within a certain average. So here, okay, you would be more likely to see a symmetrical graph. You're going to see a majority of women have their shoe size kind of in the middle. You're going to have a couple outliers on the left side. You're going to have a couple outliers on the right side. I'm not saying everything to the left or right is an outlier, but you're going to have some that pull them in either direction. But a majority are going to be in the middle, meaning that this would have to be a symmetrical graph.